Hi everyone, welcome to the James Marketing channel. In today's clip, I will guide everyone to use software for us to spam comments, batch on all groups, and we will spam by fan page. As I have talked before, that we've created a lot of fan pages out of by this software, then we've saved. One of them is our resources. You can imagine a Facebook account can create a lot of pages, right? Let's go get this page to spam comment so that we can comment a lot. It's also saving resources. We don't have to use a lot of accounts. We just need a lot of pages. So, this is the main interface. People go into this viral marketing and go to that group comment section. What I want to say is, these pages, it's also our brand. Here we are. This multi-platform marketing page, James Tool MKT. This is the seeding software. It will bring brand name and keyword name search always. This is when we go to comment that it is very effective. Now I will guide everyone to go massive comment spam on all groups. The software will automatically select the latest posts to comment on that help we display the information we have. So first we're going to select this content. Let's go to the content selection. So here I'm hitting the file real estate group. I'm going to go to real estate groups to advertise my real estate posting software. Well, I'll choose the content everyone can prepare in advance in this content management section, and we only need to enter once, is that we're going to use that content over and over again. Next, we'll select the number of streams. Like me, I'll run 5. The stronger the machine, the more threads it runs. How many groups do each page comment on? Each page is an average from 3 to 4 groups, and each comment per comment group maximum is 2 to 3 articles. The software will automatically select the first article to comment, so I only need to comment 3 to 5 posts. It will be okay. The distance times, I'm going to take it a little long to avoid being scanned by Facebook. Next up is the important part. Choose the lists group first to comment in bulk. I have scanned it here. I was able to scan that group. It's about 1,500 real estate groups. These groups are completely. We can go post it here. Or for example, we could be commentaries as I am doing now. Comment on real estate information. Comment directly on someone else's post. That's it. The real estate brothers and sisters. Then we should comment on investment groups. Group A about apartment. Or is the group about a residential area? For example, I will now copy these. Please enter the ID of this group. Then I went back to this software. I just need to paste it here. Paste that it here and save it. Now, I already have groups to comment on. Next is permission to retrieve this comment and the time to upload this photo. I left it for a while because it is. This will depend on the speed of your network. Then I just need to load those. Account that contains your page. Select these pages. Then I press start. The software will automatically comment. Then let's see. How does the software go about mass commenting? And the form that goes mass commenting on all these groups. It's like a form of automated decryption. And it's like people go and hire people to pick up the flyers. However, this is the leaflet above. Online platform everyone. Instead of us hiring people, then we will do automatic in software, just save time. I could totally be a comment 1,000 to 2,000 or even 10,000 comments per day. Always all the groups. So everyone subscribe to my channel. Get the latest videos on the software. Bye everyone.